Hi guys, so today's video we had to explain as Python from beginner level, this one. So let's look into the video. So first we had to start with the variables. Okay, so right now we'll start with variables. So what is the variable or what are the variables? Think of variables as containers or boxes where you can store the information like numbers or words to use later in your program. So let's see the example. For example, age equals to 21. Print, I'm giving age. So how much I'm giving? I'm getting the 21. If I execute like same thing, print age multiplies 2. If I execute 42. So age is I had declared as 21. Print age. So to print the 21 number, print age multiplies 2. 42 I'm getting. So there is the one example, simple example here, variables. So here age is a variable that holds the number 21. So print age shows the value stored in age is 21. So print age multiplies 2 multiplies the value of age by 2 and shows the result is 42. Let's look into another example. For example, the weight. So weight equals to 88.9 and print weight. So how much I'm getting? 88.9. So this is another variable, that is weight. Stores the number 88.9, which could represent a person's weight. So let's consider as one task here. The task is, for example, to calculate how much money is left in a wallet after spending half of it. So this is the task. The task is calculate how much money is left in a wallet after spending half of it. So I'll declare as wallet is the variable like wallet equals to 23.50. Okay. Print wallet divide by 2. So our task is simple. So calculate how much money is left. Okay. So in your wallet. So wallet money is 23.50 after spending half of it. So print wallet by 2. I'm getting 11.75. So here wallet holds the amount of money you have 23.50. Dividing it by 2 calculates half of the amount, showing 11.75. So this is the simple example for uh, variables. Next we'll cover as strings. So what are the strings? So strings are mainly a series of characters or text. They can hold words, sentences, or even numbers as text. So let's say, for example, name equals to Vijay. Print name. What I'm getting output is Vijay. So here the name is the variable, holds the text is Vijay. So print name shows the text. Similarly, I'll write as like a slogan. Slogan equals to, I want to print Vijay, like Vijay's pet shop best pet place out there. Okay. So if I close this one. Now if I print slogan. So how I am getting the result? So the result I am getting is the output, some error. Because of here I have put the Vijay's. So for this reason, it is showing the error. So what I can do, I will use the backslash. Now it will execute Vijay's pet shop best pet place out there. Okay. So now if I execute, so now if you look into the output, Vijay's pet shop best pet place out there. Okay. Right. So here in this strings can include special characters like apostrophes or quotes using a backslash. The slogan variable stores a message with both single and double quotes. So you can use within strings single quotes or double quotes. Let's consider the simple task. Task is use string formatting to introduce yourself. Okay. Task is just introduce yourself. Print. Now I'll write as F. I'll tell the what is the F string. Hello, my name is. I'm writing name in curly brace. Okay. And I am age. Also, I'm getting years old. If I close the braces. Okay. So here I'll get the hello, my name is name. So name already I declared as Vijay. And I am age. So age above I had declared as age is 21. Okay. So now I'll get the output. Hello, my name is Vijay and I'm 21 years old. How it is executing? So because here this curly braces is executing as the F string. So this F string called as the lets you insert any variables directly into a string. Here name and age variables are added into the sentence. So that is the F string. So if I execute this one, see, I'm getting the output called as hello, my name is Vijay and I am 21 years old. This is the task. Let's see the another one. Soup equals to example clam and price equals to 3.57. Now I want to print F. I'm using the F string today or also today's. Okay, today's soup is. I'll use the soup. Okay, soup already I had declared clam. Okay, and it costs price. So price I have declared as so yeah price also declared price and close the brace. Okay. Now see the output. Today's soup is clam and it costs 3.71. Or else I'll use the chicken soup. 100.99 if I execute. Okay. This way we can use with the code. So the code introduces the soup of the day and its price using the variables. Next, look into comments. So comments are the lines in the code that are ignored when the program runs. They are used to explain what the code does or to temporarily disable the code. So if you use the comment called as so, for example, I'll write as wallet equals to 100 print wallet on how much I'm getting. So wallet equals to 100 print wallet. So wallet I'm getting the output is 100. Okay. Basically, the comments are the lines. So if I write the comment hash show, so this line is not executing. Just for understanding purpose, I'm writing. And here this logic is different mainly. And here we'll write the one more condition. I will write the here wallet equals to wallet plus 10. How much I'm getting the output? After then we have to print again. Print wallet. Okay. So earlier print statement I'm getting the 100. Now I'm getting the 110. The same condition we'll write as so like wallet plus equals to 100 plus equals to 10. See the condition how it is executing 110. Okay. The same way we can try to implement with minus also. Okay. So this is called as so plus equals to and minus equals to operators and other shortcuts for adding and subtracting. Okay. Now, for example, name equals to Vijay. Okay. And age equals to 21. Here I will write as so age plus equals to 22t. Okay. I'm writing age plus equals to 22t. if I execute now, I'm getting the error. Okay. So this type of errors or any code disable, we have to use with the comment. So for this, I'll use with the comment called as hash, and if I execute, I'll get the no error. Okay. So here I'll write the one print statement. So print f, my name is name, and I am age years old. Okay. See, my name is Vijay and I am 21 years old. Okay. So this way we have to use the comments. So here in this comment is a typo 22T causes an error. So commenting out the problematic lines allows the rest of the code to run. Next, look into Boolean and if statements. Boolean and if statements. Okay. So here mainly what are booleans? Booleans are the values that can be either true or false. They are used in decision making. So let's see one example code. So alive equals to true. Okay, alive is true. If alive colon then print. So alive, this print is you are alive. Okay, then else print sorry. For execute. So this one has mainly Boolean called as alive true or false. So if alive condition, if condition is true, okay, fine. Else false. So if I execute, I'm getting you are alive. Okay. So alive is a Boolean variable. If alive is true, it prints you are alive. Otherwise, it prints sorry. So let's take one example here. Task. So task is use if to check usage, or also check age. Okay. If age equals to 1, print I am age years old. Okay. Else print I am age years old. Okay. So here the task is if age equals to 1, then print this one. Else this one. Wait. If age equals to expected indent. Yes, this one indent is missing. Okay. So I am 21 years old. Okay. So this is the uh, if condition task. So the if statement checks if age equals 1. If true, it prints a specific message. Otherwise, it prints a different message like this. Next, we'll look into one small example that is theme park ride eligibility. Theme park ride eligibility. So let's consider as height equals to 44. If height greater than 48, okay, then print. So print message is you can ride the ride. Okay. Else print sorry, you are too short. Okay. single quote here will change. So if I execute, so I'm getting, sorry, you are too short. So height is 44. So if height is greater than or equals to 48, then print this one. Else, sorry, you are too short. So here the condition is mainly the code checks if the person's height 44 inches is tall enough. 48 inches or more to write. So if they meet the height requirement, it prints. You can write the right. Otherwise, it prints, sorry, you are too short. So like this. So up to this, we'll see the summary. So summary is mainly first one, variables. So for variables is mainly store and manage data like numbers or text. Okay, that is variables. Strings. Strings is mainly handles text, including formatting and special characters. Then comments. So comments are mainly explain the code or disable problematic lines. That is the use of comments. Then Boolean and if statements. So Boolean and if statements are mainly make decisions based on conditions. That is either true or false. Okay. So this is the concept about with till now we have explained. Wait. Okay. So this is the concept about with variables, strings, comments, and Boolean if statements. Next, look into, and we'll look into small project too. Till now, what we have discussed. So if I look into the project is mainly here, I'll write the project overview. So the project is the program compares two teams. Okay, calculates their chances of winning based on their rank and some random variation. Okay, and then declares a winner with a confidence percentage. It adds suspense by using passes. Okay, so pass is called as mainly time dot sleep method. Okay, during the process. Okay, so this is the concept about with the this one. I'll hit this one. Okay, now it's good looking. So project is mainly the program compares two teams, calculates their chances of winning based on their rank and some random variation, and then declares a winner with a confidence percentage. It adds suspense by using passes. So passes by using time dot sleep during the process. So let's look into this one. Okay. So first we have to importing libraries. Okay, importing libraries. So import libraries are mainly import random one library and import time is one another library. Okay. So random is mainly this module allows the program to generate random numbers, which adds unpredictability to the results. And time module is mainly it is used to add delays like time dot sleep. So how many seconds we have to delay. So that is making the program feel interactive. Then next thing is, so we have to see in team details. So team details called as, so for example, team one name. So team one name will give as BAU. Team one rank. So team one rank is 12. I am giving. Okay. And team two name. Team two name is ANU. Team two rank. Team two rank is I'll give 5. Okay. So till now, just we declared as the team one team details. That is team one name and team two name. So the names and ranks of two teams are defined. So lower rank called as less skilled, higher rank called as the more skilled. Okay. Now we have to calculating winning chances. Calculating winning chances are mainly first team one chance. So let's see team one chance. For example, the initial winning chance is calculated as, so 16 minus rank. So this gives the higher rank teams. So that is why we had considered team one rank 12, team two rank 5. So if that is 16, team one chance is 16. So 16 minus team one rank. Okay. And team two chance equals to 16 minus team 2 rank. Okay. Next, team 1 chance equals to, or team 1 plus equals to team 1 chance equal team 1 chance equals to team 1 chance plus, we'll write the condition. So directly I'm writing plus equals to. So random dot rand int 0, 16. That is 0 to 16. So some random number. Okay. Team 2 chance plus equals to random dot rand int 0, 16. Okay, so that is random number between 0 and 16 is added to each team's chance. So this introduces unpredictability. So the better team does not have always win. Next, adding suspense. So this suspense is mainly adding suspense. So suspense is mainly first we have to print the pickleator is now choosing a winner. Okay. So here we'll give time dot sleep. How many seconds to sleep? 2 seconds will give the sleep. And one more print here. Almost there. Backslash n will give next line to print. And here also time dot sleep 2 seconds. Okay. So this is the messages are printed to build the suspense, and time dot sleep of 2 seconds to pass. That is the program for 2 seconds between the messages. Next, look into determining the winner. So determining the winner is, so if team 1 chance greater than or equals to team 2 chance. Okay. If team 1 chance greater than or equals to team 2 chance, then confidence equals to team 1 chance minus team 2 chance. Okay. Divided by 31. So 31 is total that is 16, 16, 32. So 31, we'll take 31. Okay. Team 1 chance minus team 2 chance, 31. And multiplies 100. Print. Here we'll write the calculator has chosen team 1 chance or team 1 name with int of confidence. Okay. And percentage confidence and close the brace. So this is the print statement. Else part also we have to write. So else part is the same thing I'll copy here. Else part. So confidence team 2 chance we'll write. Team 2 chance. And here team 1 chance. Here I'll write team 2 name. Okay. So this is the program compares the final chances of both teams. That is, if team 1 chance is greater than or equal to team 2 chance, then team 1 wins. Otherwise, team 2 wins. So that is, the confidence percentage is calculated as the difference in chances divided by the maximum possible chance. That is 31. The multiplied by 100. Next, display the results. So display the result is print team 1 chance, team 1 chance. Close. Same thing. We'll write team 2 chance. Okay. So this is the final winning chances for both teams are displayed, giving the transparency to the result. So let's see this one. So here the calculator is now choosing a winner. Almost there. The calculator has chosen ANU with 48% confidence. So team 1 chance is 8. Team 2 chance is 23. Okay. So if you run with another one more time, it will give with the another output. So another run. So another run might be print with another. So see, almost there. Calculator has chosen ANU 61% confidence. Team 1 chance 6. Team 2 chance 25. So if I run again, 9% confidence. Team 1 chance 16. Team 2 chance 13. Okay. So this is the way we had to use with this calculator chances. So here, the key learning points are mainly here. First point is what we say, the randomness code. So randomness code called as mainly using random makes the result unpredictable and fun. Second key point is mainly interactive. So interactive called as mainly adding delays with time dot sleep. So creates a better user experience. Then third point is here we are learning confidence. So confidence calculation. So like it shows how to calculate and display percentages dynamically. And fourth one is mainly conditionals. So conditionals called as the if statement. So if statement determines the winner based on the calculated chances. So this is the simple project, simple engaging way to learn with the Python basics like variables, random numbers, conditionals, and formatting output. Okay. So next we'll look into loops. Now we'll look into loops. So loops. So basically loops, or what is the definition of loops called as? Mainly loops are used to repeat a set of instructions multiple times. So example, let's take a for loop. So it iterates over a sequence or a range. So let's look into for loop example. For numbers in range 10. So here I have taken as the for number. So number in range 10. So if I print this one, for example, here I will write the hello. Okay, if I execute, it will print 10 times. So number in range 10. Okay. So for loop colon missing. Okay. So 10 times it is printing as hello. Okay. So this is the uh, what we say, one example for loops. So loops 10 times from hello is to be printing. So prints this one. And we'll look into one more example for number in range 1 comma 10. I'm giving colon print number. Okay, so numbers we have to print. See 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Like this way, we have to add. And like similar way, we'll print printing odd number, printing odd number for number in range like 1 comma 11 colon print number. Okay, and if number modulo 2 double equals to 1 colon, and this one just little bit. Okay, now see, so printing the wait. Okay, so printing the odd numbers. So 1 to 11 odd numbers 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. So checks if a number is odd using the modulo operator %2 equals to 1 and prints it. Next, look into lists. So lists are mainly lists are used to store multiple items in a single variable. Let's look into example favorite games. So favorite games are mainly, I will write like Mario, Worms, Octopath. Okay, so list is will give us this square brackets. Okay, for for will give like for game uh, game in favorite games colon and print game. Okay, so let's see the result. Colon missing. Mario also colon missing. Okay, so I'm getting the list are mainly Mario, Worms, and Octopath. Okay, so this favorite games stores the favorite games. So FAV underscore game. The loop prints each game. Okay, so let's insert in the list. For example, in favorite games, dot insert first position, comma, I'll insert as like paper, Mario, and close. Next, I will delete for favorite games, second position. Okay, and print length of favorite games and print favorite games also. Okay, was never closed. Favorite games insert. Here on brace missing. Okay, let's execute. So here I have inserted first in play first position. So 0 and 1. So paper Mario in place of worms. So paper Mario inserted, and second position to delete. Okay. So inserts paper Mario at position 1, deletes the item at index 2, Okay, and prints the length of the list. So this is one example, and we'll see the favorite food. For example, to print the favorite food in for loop, um, I'll write like favorite food equals to like pizza, biryani, and Oreos, and close. One more, dosa. Okay. So I have entered 4 items in favorite food. Now I will give for food in favorite food colon. Now we have to print this one. Print food. Let's see the result. So 4 items I'm getting: stores, favorite food, and prints each one using a loop. So next look into functions. Okay. So functions are reusable blocks of code that performs specific tasks. So let's say, for example, definition of hello. Okay. Definition of hello. Print hello world. Print Vijay. Print by. Okay. So here defines a function name called as hello and calling hello function to print 3 lines each time. Okay. Let's see. Now I'll use the what we say function with custom message. So for example, define love. Okay. Print I love Python. Okay. And call the function called as love. And I will call this function 2 times. Okay. So here it defines a function that prints uh, I love Python. Calling it twice outputs the message twice. So if I look into this one, I love Python. Okay. Next, function with parameters. For example, here I will write the comment function with parameters. Okay. So let's define multiply numbers number 1, comma number 2. Define multiply the numbers number 1, number 2, and print number 1 multiplies number 2. Okay, so here it takes 2 numbers as inputs and prints their product. So okay, next we'll look into function with return value. So function with return value, I will define the function called as add numbers number 1, comma number 2. So return number 1 plus number 2, print add numbers 4, comma 5 multiplies 2. So 4, comma 5. So number 1 plus number 5, number 2, number 1, number 2, number 1 is 4, number 2 is 4, 5. So 4 plus 5, 9, 9 multiplies 2, 18. So here adds 2 numbers and return the results. The returned value can be used in further calculations. Next, look into one more example. Function to print list items. Okay, so first we'll define the list. That is define print underscore list of list. So function created. Now for item in list, then print item, print list pizza, and dosa, biryani, chapati, and close. So you see here how the output is. So here the loops through a list and prints each item. Okay, so this is the uh, okay. So this is the list. Next we'll look to dictionaries. So these dictionaries all mainly store the data in key value pairs. Dictionaries store the data in key value pairs. For example, let's look into pets. Pets equals to pet one. So pet one will store 10. Pet two store 15. Pet three 21, and close. Okay, so it creates a dictionary with pet names and their ages. Okay, next. So to delete the keys, so delete pets, pet pet one I'm deleting, and close. Okay, so this is deletes the key pet one. Next, creating a dictionary from two lists. Creating a dictionary from two lists. So creating the dictionary is, so first we'll create the words. So words equals to, let's say words are use, sponge, leaf, pie. Okay, so I created the words with the definitions. Definitions are will give the species, and to collect, pair change, and when your phone or tablet. Okay, I given the definitions. Okay, now okay, so here words definitions are given. Now we'll create a pool like a dictionary equals to empty. So here we are giving the to combine the two lists like words and definitions into a dictionary where each word is a key and its definition is the value. So like that, full dictionary for I in range 0, 3 colon. Here full dictionary words I equals to definitions definitions of I. Uh, Unterminated string literal. Unterminated. Okay, this is unterminated. Right. Okay, so this is the combines two lists, words and definitions, into a dictionary where each word is a key. So till now we have discussed about with loops. I'll write the comment. So loops are mainly automate repetitive tasks such as iterating over numbers or lists. So these are the loops, and we discussed it as lists also. Lists are mainly store and manipulate multiple items in an ordered way. Okay, so this is the lists, and we discussed the functions. So functions are mainly encapsulate reusable code mainly for specific tasks with optional input parameters, and return values. Okay, so these are the functions. And finally, dictionaries. So dictionaries are mainly store data as key value. Store data as key value pairs for quick lookups and associations. So these are all the summary of about with the loops, lists, and functions dictionaries. Okay. Next, we'll look into one more example regarding the word counter. We'll look into one more example. So now we'll look into the example. So the example is mainly here to count all the unique words, sort them by frequency, and display the total count of unique words along with their frequencies. Okay. So here I had taken one sample text. So import operator full text equals to I have mentioned this all the what we say the text. So like this is one song lyrics. This one. Something I have copied from the Google. Okay. So for this one, we'll read this text. Then we have to count the each and every word. Okay. So first, what we can do is first we have to remove the punctuations. Okay. So like punctuations are comma, dot, question mark, comma, space. So these things we have to remove. So let's write this one. Remove punctuation. Okay. So this remove these equals to comma, dot, question mark, and left brace, right brace, and double quotes, um, backslash. Okay, and finally this one. So these things we have to remove the punctuations. Okay. Now for loop for in remove these full text equals to full text dot replace thing. Okay. So this is the first we have to I'll execute this one first. Okay. So this is fine. Reading the text and removing the punctuations. Next thing is convert the text to lowercase and split into words. Convert text to lowercase and split into words. Okay. So this one is word list equals to full text dot lower split. So entire word list we had to read and we convert into lower and split the words. So this is the thing, and count the words. So count the words is we'll write as word count equals to empty brace for word in word list if word in word count word word plus one means plus or else plus equals to 1. Okay, else part and word count word equal to 1. Okay, so this is the to count the words for loop. Next thing is to sort the words. So like sort word counts. Sort word counts for word tuple in sorted count. Okay, then print f word tuple 0 capitalize. So capitalize is each word starting letter capitals. We're converting and as word tuple and close print. There are, so here we'll write the length function also. Sorted count unique words. So unique words break slash n and close. So these things we had to what we say this one is not the sorting part. This one will write the print word count. Okay, for word tuple in sorted. Okay, this one fine and print to final print. So sorting is we'll write sorted count equals to sorted word count items equals to operator dot item getter reverse equals to true. Okay, let's try this one and into tuple 1 print f word tuple 0 capitalize minus this one brace missing. Okay, so let's see the tuples are the words are these many words are available. So there are 139 unique words. So if you look into these words are baby, I, yeah, you, oh, mine, you. So this way all the text is to be showing. Okay. So this is the example for to count all the unique words, sort them by frequency and display the total count of unique words.